my association with Panasonic is as their eco ambassador. I promote their eco ideas. I get involved with practically every product that is eco-friendly. And we do several ground activities. We're hoping to do a lot more to encourage eco ideas in lifestyle and industrial choices. There are some very wonderful things that Panasonic has done and is hoping to do. One of our missions is that by the year 2013, in the Asia Pacific region alone, we would have saved close to 5 crore tons of carbon emission. These things, these facts, this challenge, this kind of work that Panasonic has undertaken and believes in is what drives me as an ambassador and makes me feel very proud to be associated and involved with the company.
This is my third year association with Panasonic Viera. It's been a wonderful association. It's a brand which completely believes in its ideologies, believes in the customer's benefits, the customer's pleasure, the customer's every need, and it satisfies all of it. It's a great pleasure that I'm a part of Panasonic Viera's innovative launch of the 3D and LED televisions, and I hope that you guys at least take a look at this television, this thing which is a part of the future. It's just going to open up, it's going to take technology, television to new heights.
I remember saying then that there's a myth that 3D is only limited to animation. What the films made by these young film school students has done is that the first thing it's done is to dispel that myth. 3D is not just about animation. 3D can be shot with live film as well.
See, I always believe that what has already done is part of our history. You cannot really change it and enhance it because that was that director's vision. He made it in black and white. He made it in a particular way. Yes, it does work for some people, but I truly believe that once it's done for posterity, and we should not fiddle with it. Yes, today we have the medium, we have the facilities, we have the technology to enhance our movie making. But let's just leave the, the classics and the history to the way they are, because they are those classic films because of the way they've been shot, because of the way they've been perceived by an audience. So I believe that too.
You must see the film because you realize when you see the film that the picture quality, the color, the definition that you see in the detail is beyond imagination. I don't think the naked eye can pick up the kind of detail that the 3D camera does. So I think as ambassadors of Panasonic, we can only hope that people embrace this technology and believe in it just as much as we do.
I think Panasonic is giving that infrastructure. It's giving, the setup, the technology, just to provide with something which a director or a storyteller can engage an audience. So I think it's as simple as that. Cinema basically storytelling, sir. Of course, with Panasonic की जो नया smart Viera television what they're launching, ये सब enhance करता है, your experience, a viewer's experience, जब वो internet में जा सकते हैं, films देख सकते हैं, market देख सकते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, they can see YouTube videos, Skype है, तो all these new applications which Viera has tied up with, it'll only enhance the viewer's experience. देखिए, I endorse Panasonic Viera, तो Panasonic मुझे कहे कि आपके घर जाए, आपको टीवी दिखाए, एक सेल्समैन बन जाए, मैं कर लूँगा, because I believe in this brand, I believe in their products, believe in their ideas, and genuinely, ये line सिर्फ ऐसे effectively नहीं डाला है, it is ideas for life. So it's a brand worth really.
I think what we both are trying to say is that we both believe in what we do, and our association with this brand is purely because we believe in the brand. We believe in Panasonic.